Yeah, this will be nice with a little brushless system in it. Oh no. Guys, I'm glad I brought a rescue boat because that is flipped and I don't think these have got self-righting. Hey, what's up guys? That's right, today we are taking a look at something a bit different. This is the Carrera Profi RC Speedray. This is supposed to be like a hydroplane boat, but being from Carrera, I'm not quite sure what this product's going to be like because I think Carrera concentrate more on the young kids RC toys and slot cars and stuff. So we'll get the box open, see what we get, then we'll take it down the lake, give it a little bit of a test, and if it's no good, hopefully I can do a brushless conversion quite easily and make it good. As with most RCs, you get a bunch of information, warranty, a guarantee, accessories and spare parts list, a very basic user guide with only writing. This has no diagrams or pictures whatsoever. A stand made specifically for this boat, a 7.4 volt 1300 milliamp Life PO4 lithium ion phosphate battery with its corresponding charger. Now taking a look at the controller, we have forward and reverse fully proportional as well as fully proportional steering. We have the on and off switch at the back here, and we also have steering trim on the controller. Taking a look inside, we can see the brushed water-cooled 380 motor, the battery tray, the servo is right up the back there, and the 3-in-1 board or ESC and receiver combo is up the front. Alrighty guys, so I'm back at the lake. I thought I'd start at this little area here because I don't think this thing's going to be overly fast. They've got a wire soldered to the prop shaft housing, and they've got a wire connected to this little screw here. So once the boat is in the water, then it will work as a fully functional proportional boat. When it's out of the water, it doesn't. It actually just revs slowly so you don't injure yourself. Right guys, so for the first run, obviously we're going to run the stock battery, but I did bring a normal LiPo with me as well, so I'll put it in after I run this one and see if there's much of a difference. So as you can see guys, that is full throttle. You can just stop it with your hand very easily. So yeah, that's definitely going to prevent any kids from damaging their fingers or anything. So we'll put it in the water and see what happens. Hopefully it's much faster than what that looks, because I don't think that will be very fast. Oh, there we go. That's actually very nice. Yeah, this will be nice with a little brushless system in it. Oh no. Guys, I'm glad I brought a rescue boat because that is flipped and I don't think these have got self-righting. To the rescue. There we go. Oh. Alright, we'll leave the flight tech plugged in because that might happen again, and by the feel of this guys, there is a lot of water in there. Oh wow. Okay, so that's definitely the worst RC boat I've ever had for filling up. That is terrible. Change this steering quickly because it's not quite enough. Right guys, I moved the servo horn or the wire to the closest one in. I think that'll give me more throw. Yeah. Just gotta watch that branch over there. Yeah, it's a bit better steering. Oh, definitely tighter steering to the right. Sorry, to the left. That is full throttle, guys. So yeah, it's not overly fast. It's surprisingly stable though. It doesn't like going slow. Guys, I think that battery's almost dead already, or there's a lot of water in the boat again. All right, I'll check that again, guys. Oh no, I had a branch stuck to it. Yeah, that's better. Yeah guys, I can't wait to get a bit more speed into this boat. Looks absolutely awesome. Oh! Well guys, I was questioning their 25km/h limit. Oh! But after seeing it in the water running, I don't really, you know, I think 25 kilometers is probably spot on. All right guys, that's it. I've got to put the LiPo in, see if we get much of a difference in speed. But I'm definitely liking it so far. All right guys, I just decided to bring one of the 7.4 volt 1800 milliamp lithium batteries from the Ralo buggy. That's pretty much brand new, so hopefully it goes all right. I might just check it quickly. Definitely has some charge, I know that. 84%, that should be plenty to test it out. So there's not really much water in there. Only when it flipped upside down is when it gets the water in it. Yep, that is on. Right, first shot with a real lithium polymer battery. Oh. Oh, cut out. Oh, it's faster. Oh. Oh, there we go, guys. It has reverse, and the reverse actually works. The reverse actually works quite well, and you can steer in reverse. No. You can only steer right in reverse. That's all right though. Boat is definitely fast on lithium polymer. Might be getting 30 kilometers an hour. Oh. Oh, that skimming is awesome. It's definitely struggling with the right hand turns. It's alright, slow. This boat is actually really good. Nice little speedboat. Whoa! Yeah, definitely got to get a little brushless system in this, guys. Looks too good to be this slow. It's better than I expected. It's actually much better than I expected. I think I might have a nice aluminium rudder for a boat this size at home. Might have to have a look in my bits and pieces again. Yeah guys, that battery is slowing down now. I think we're almost through that lithium polymer battery. That's it. That is the battery. They said it shuts off for 5 or 10 seconds and then it starts going again. Yeah, there we go, full throttle. It's only going slow now. That's very nice guys. I am extremely happy with this boat. I had no idea it would be this fun. I had no idea it would be this stable. I didn't really expect it to be as fast as it is, even on the stock battery. So yeah guys, I'm very happy with it. What are you doing, you strange bird? Did you want something? Do you want to check it out? Yeah, do you want to have a look at the boat? Alright guys, so that was the Carrera RC Speedray 2S or 2-cell life battery RC boat, and I really like it. I definitely enjoyed that guys. It looks excellent in my opinion. It looks like it's starting to rain, so I'm going to have to make a move. Can't wait to get this back out guys. I'm not sure whether I'm going to change it straight to brushless or bring it out maybe with a 3-cell, see if it can handle 3-cell. But I can't wait to get the brushless system in it because I think it will be a good option for a little brushless system. It's an excellent little boat, around about $150. Yeah, definitely worth it in my opinion. All right guys, cheers. Catch you in the next video, and as always, stay safe. Servo's definitely not waterproof guys, look at that. Yep.